Second to the last run of the day. Ridge. On my new fancy board. I'm going to attempt to use the flip camera the entire way down the mountain. So bear with me. I'm trying to shoot Chad as he shreds. Oh jeez. Crazy! Look at you! That guy has a helmet or a camera on his helmet. What was that? Yeah, it's my first time videoing down the mountain. I'm a rookie photog. Snowtog. Snowtog, right? That's what it would be. Can't find Chad. Know where he is. There he is. He's in the green. Let's try and catch up to him. Wonder how fast I am. There he is. I found this guy who was using his helmet camera.
Helmet cam?
Yeah. So anyway, it's like there's no one out here right now. It's awesome.
Sweet. Ready to go
My
again?
hands are a little cold.
Hands are cold.
I have my mini gloves on.
Risking all to get the shot, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's how it
That's what
is.
it's like. So here we go.
Ready?
I didn't exactly go to school for this. The photography, that is. Actually, or snowboarding. Or the monologue, either. This is what happens when there's no Wi-Fi. Can't stream live, but we sure can do some flip action. Felt a little odd when I couldn't even tweet or be on YouTube, do stream, Facebook. It's all dead up here in the mountains. But look at that view. Do my little thing on the catwalk. Oh, Chad. Remember that Right Said Fred song? I do my little thing on the catwalk. On the catwalk. On the catwalk. Yeah. Wonder what year that was. So here we are, the end of the run almost. Woo! I bet that makes the cut right there. It sure does. Look at that view. It's so gorgeous. I managed to make it down this mountain without any falls. It's quite amazing. Actually, it's not. I'm pretty conservative. But there you have it. Sorry for the bumps. Until next time. What's up? And there's the real camera.
What's up? Yeah, we were filming each other. Filming.
I know. I'm totally getting one of those.